Setting up Oyster for remote teams is incredibly simple and efficient, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to get your team onboarded quickly and effectively. Whether you're managing a small team or a global workforce, Oyster makes managing remote employees easier than ever. Stay tuned because I'll show you the step-by-step process, plus some tips and tricks to get the most out of the software. Now, if you're new to Oyster, it's an all-in-one platform that simplifies global employment. You can hire remote talent across the world, manage contracts, handle payroll, and ensure compliance with local labor laws, all from one dashboard. It's the perfect tool for businesses looking to scale globally without the hassle of dealing with multiple systems or processes. Let's dive into the setup process. The first thing you'll want to do is sign up for an Oyster account. You can get started completely free by following the link in the description below. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you'll begin configuring your account. Step 1. Set up your company profile. This is where you'll enter basic company information like your name, business address, and your local tax ID number. This is crucial for payroll processing and tax compliance, so make sure all details are accurate. Step 2. Add your team members. With Oyster, you can onboard remote employees or contractors from anywhere in the world. Simply click on Add Employee and you'll be asked for details like their job title, work location, and preferred payment method. You can also specify if they are an independent contractor or a full-time employee, which affects tax and payroll setup. Step 3. Configure your employment contracts. Oyster gives you the flexibility to customize contracts to fit different regions, ensuring that everything is compliant with local laws. You'll choose the type of contract, whether it's fixed term, indefinite, or project-based, and add any special terms. The platform automatically adjusts based on the country your employee is in. Step 4. Set up payroll. One of the standout features of Oyster is its ability to manage payroll in over 180 countries. To set up payroll, you'll select the pay schedule, bi-weekly, monthly, etc., the employee's currency preference, and input any bonuses or benefits they may be receiving. Oyster integrates tax calculations, so you don't have to worry about local tax regulations. Everything is automated, saving you countless hours. Step 5. Compliance and legal requirements. Once your team members are added, Oyster ensures compliance with local labor laws by automatically taking care of taxes, employee benefits, and work permits. The platform also keeps you up to date with any changes in employment regulations. Step 6. Managing team documents. Oyster allows you to securely store important documents, such as contracts, signed agreements, and other necessary files. You can easily access, share, and update documents, all while maintaining a secure record for each team member. Finally, don't forget to regularly check the dashboard for team updates. Oyster's platform offers real-time analytics, so you can see how your remote team is performing, track any time-off requests, and even manage performance reviews. So that's how to set up Oyster for your remote team. It's a straightforward process, and once you're set up, you'll have everything you need to manage your global team in one place. If you're ready to give Oyster a try, don't forget to click the first link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. This will give you a hands-on feel for the platform without committing right away. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to hit that link to get started with Oyster today.